You'll notice I've got 3 kettlebells here. I've got a 10, a 15, and a 20. I'm going to warm up with the 10, do it the first time with the 10, and then going to move on to the 15, and then moving on to the 20. Kettlebell swing, push up, kettlebell swing, plank, swing, side plank for 8. The first round is going to be the warm-up round, so I'm going to do it with my lightest kettlebell. Go nice and easy. Here we go. There's that 10-pound kettlebell. Zipping up the abs, shoulders down, hinge the hips back, and here we go. Gonna do 16. I'm going to use the music to help me count. Going into the push-up. So since this is my warm-up, I'm going to do a nice, easy box push-up. Let me demonstrate. You're in tabletop. Lower and press. Going to do 8. So a box push-up to warm up the arms. I've got 10 seconds to do my transition. Bringing over my light kettlebell. Hinging back. Here we go. 16. Next exercise, traditional plank. I like to do them on fully extended arms. Here I go, 20 count. Seven 1,000, 8 1,000, 11 1,000. 18 1,000. And 10 seconds of rest. So as you can see, this isn't really hard, just getting warm. When I do the second round, I'm going to use a heavier kettlebell, go for a little bit harder. Here we go. Squeezing the glutes at the top, pulling the abs. 12. 16. 10-second transition, going to a side plank. I like to start on my non-dominant arm, so I'm going to do side plank on the left. Actually, I'm going to do this sideways so you can see it better, and you can see that I'm splitting the feet and reaching up. $18 1,000, 19, 20. Coming out. So I'm not going to go directly to the other side. I'm going to do a set of swings first. And going on the right side. So 10 seconds of rest in between. Here we go. Splitting the feet for more stability. Seven 1,000. 14 1,000. And 20. All right. And up we go. 8 exercises. Now 10 seconds of rest. Gonna drink some water. Whew. So going into the full-on Tabata next. That was my warm-up. Now, gonna go with the heavier bell. Gonna get this one out of the way. So I got my 20 ready to go and my 15. I'm gonna start with my 20. So now, 20 swings per round, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. I'm figuring I'm probably doing a swing per second. Ready? Here we go. There's 10. And set it aside. 10 seconds of rest. Re-zipping the body. Push-ups. Going to do as many full ones as I can with excellent form, and then I'll go to kneeling. Going to kneeling. Ten seconds of rest. Going back into the kettlebell swing. All right, here we go. Seconds of rest into the plank. Here we go. I like an extended plank. Really tightening my belly, squeezing my glutes. 5 more seconds. Now, I'm getting a little bit winded, so I am going to change out the bell. Going to set aside the 20. Going to bring in the 15. Zipping the abs, shoulders down. Here we go. A little easier, but challenging enough that I can feel it. Yeah. Just about perfect to be challenging. still with excellent form. Going into my side plank, starting with my non-dominant arm, my left. Splitting the feet. Got my clock here, so I can use the second hand. Then I don't cheat it by counting fast. 5 more seconds. Abs tight. Glutes tight. There we go. Whew. 10 seconds of rest. Gonna swing and then complete with the other side. Enjoying these 10 seconds of rest. So the training is hard, but still with an element of enjoyment. Here we go, last set of swings, last set, best set. And then one more plank. Woo! 10 seconds, rest in transition, and then into the final exercise of this Tabata, side plank. 20 seconds. Got my clock right there. 10 more seconds. 5 more seconds. Power. Whew. Whew. So these are short enough. All of the bouts of exercise are short enough that we can really give it our best. I know I only got to hold that side plank for 20 seconds, so I can pull in my abs, draw in all around the core, squeeze the glutes, tighten the legs, extend the arms, and give it really, really good form, because I know I only have to hold it for 20 seconds. I can pick a challenging kettlebell, because I only have to swing for 20 seconds. I can do my best push-up. So we're reducing the duration and increasing the quality and the intensity, and hopefully increasing the enjoyment even though we're working hard. And like, share, and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching, and make it a wonderful day.